Here we go.
We are at Jobos Beach right here in Isabela. Right now there's a excessive heat warning. There are surfers out there. Montones Beach. It's cute houses. And here's the tablado. Good morning. We are up nice and early. It's like 8 a.m. We decided to head out and find a place to eat. We found a little cafe here. We're gonna check it out. Let's go. I got some parcha juice, passion fruit, and he got himself a café. Hueva, stealing my juice. It's good.
Okay, this is the oatmeal freshly made for Anna. Here we go.
Let's see if it's super hot. It's good. My pancakes are here. Just a little bit. I usually put it on the plate.
Here we go. Gracias.
Hey you, I am back. We ate breakfast and we are at Jobos Beach right here in Isabela. We're gonna check it out. I haven't been to Jobos Beach in a very long time, like decades, I think. So we're gonna check it out, and we parked right here, which is the main road that you're gonna find. So you could park there. It's for free. I don't think they give tickets, and they have parking lots around here like this one for $10. It's really early right now, so that's why you don't really see much going on here, but let's go check it out. So this is the main road, and over here they have tons of restaurants. Over here, all this has restaurants, but they're closed right now. I think they're starting to open because it is 9:30 a.m. So this is the famous Jobos Beach. You know, I'm gonna want to check the water, see how it feels. Oh, it's a little bit cold, which it feels so good because it is so hot and the sun is intense. Right now there's a excessive heat warning. So this feels good. Look at how crystal clear it is. Very nice. Love my water like this. Oh, what do we have here? Acai bowls, which I love, and surf school. I came all the way to the right of the beach where these rocks are because there's shade here, and Sergio's close to here. He's somewhere over there. So I'm just gonna like hang out here. By the way, you could rent chairs and umbrellas right here. So you do have that available. It looks like there's a little path here. I do not know where it leads to, but I'm sure that's where everybody goes to the bathroom. For sure. I just noticed there are surfers out there. There's no waves here because of this big rock here. All the waves are over there. That's why they're surfing right there. But they go that way, but nothing comes this way. Look how clear. You can see everything. It's not deep at all. I mean, I walked up to here and it's up to my thighs. See the fish right there? There's another one. It's looking at me. They are setting up here their little tent for the sun because it is super sunny today. Look, no clouds, and it's way hot. Like, it's just sticky, humid. Oh. ¿Tienes calor?
Fuerte, el clima está duro.
I know.
No clouds, super hot. The temp is very high today.
This is in the back. There's a lot of music going on here, so I can't film too much talking. We are done with Jobos Beach for today because I have another spot I want to show you, and then I have a lot of things to do, so let's go. So we left Jobos Beach and we are at Montones Beach. You can see it right there. Look at these cute houses right by the beach here. Very colorful, very cute. Let's go up. This is the end of it here, I think. No, there's more over there. Sheesh. I'm in the back. Whoa, that was a bird. I'm in the back, and they have a pool here. So it has some facilities. Not sure what else. This is the main office. If I want to ask anything, I guess I could go there. But yeah, this is like a cool little place with little villas. So this little path right here, you enter through there, down there, right? And you can park on the sides. And you're gonna see this, right? Montones Beach. And there's another entry over there. So you take through here to go to the boardwalk. Because for a while I couldn't find the darn boardwalk. I have not walked it. I'm probably not gonna walk it all. I just want to show it to you and see it for myself. Here's another entrance to the beach, Montones, but you're gonna continue through here and you're gonna see the tablado. And here's the tablado. We're here. It says despacio. Despacito. Like, take it easy. So we walked a few minutes and here we're still in the tablado. It's super long, so you're gonna keep going and you could get to other beaches, but we don't have too much time today, so I just wanted to show you that you could get to the view of the beach. So look at that. Look at those waves. Wow. We are leaving right now. I hope you enjoyed this Isabela tour. Now I'm leaving. You go to. I'm back. We playa Los Jobos, eh? Jobos. No es Los. So we left Playa Jobos. So we left beach. So we left Jobos Beach. Poor guy lost his board. There he is.